Hey guys, so I have partnered with Dyson on their new Airwrap, and I'm heading to the Easter show today, and I just wanted to show you how I've been doing my hair as of late. I've had this product probably for about a week now, and I actually didn't think that it was going to be this easy to use, so I'm going to show you the box that it comes in. So this is basically how it comes in this box here. Stay. Okay, so basically you open the box like so, and voila. So you've got pretty much all of your heads of the product, and this is where the engine is per se. Oh, hello there. So basically I'm just going to show you, I usually combine the, I think it's a 40-inch roller and the just usual hairbrush shape thing. And what I'll do, basically my hair has been washed, it's dried a little bit, so I've got my little water bottle spray here that I'm just gonna go through and spray in. So usually I pop the round volumizing brush on first. So you click the little unlock button, pop that in like so. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And then on the opposite side, this is the on button. This is the what's the word? The
one eternity later.
Airflow control, and that is the temperature control. So basically, I know this is gonna seem very weird, but I usually do the top of my hair first, my little fringe, just because I don't like to go over it when my hair is already curled, because then it flattens. So pop this on. Unravel it. That's not how it turns out. Flick it apart, and I've got my perfect little fringy bits. And then you start to use the rollers. So I use this little clip, just randomly. I'll pop that up. So the way that the rollers work is they have little arrows on them, and basically how you know which side of the face it's for, you look down, and the arrows will be going on the outside of the head like it is, as you can see. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold at the moment, which is why I sound like a boy. We're about 10 centimeters from the end. Pop the machine behind, flick the switch on. Flip up to the cold air. Wait another 10 seconds. And then down, put off. There we go. Grab a cup of tea or a coffee, maybe some cookies and biscuits, and watch how I do my hair. FYI, this is why I'm not a beauty blogger, but Okay, so now that all the pieces are curled, sometimes I just like to add in a couple smaller ones at the top, which just create a little bit of extra volume. And voila! Shake it up, and it honestly looks like I've just got a fresh blow dry. So all done. I didn't say this before, but when you unlock it, you can, this is a heat sensitive point, so you just unlock it and lift it from there, because this can get pretty hot. I mean, another reason why I love this is that even though it can get hot, it doesn't damage your hair, and I'm on a bit of a healthy hair journey at the moment, so awesome that I don't have to worry about heat damage, which is incredible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I mean, my hair looks amazing. If you have any questions, leave some comments. Bye, humans.